Imagine walking into the world's greatest workshop, not one filled with hammers or machines or blueprints. Imagine a workshop built entirely from memories, every conversation you've ever had, every mistake, every book, every movie, every place you've traveled, every heartbreak, every victory, every face you've forgotten, every question you've ever asked. Nothing has been thrown away. Everything has been stored. We often imagine creativity as producing something from nothing, but neuroscience tells a different story. Your brain doesn't begin with empty space. It begins with a library, a living library, one that is constantly growing. Every experience becomes another shelf. Every observation becomes another book. Every emotion places a bookmark somewhere inside, which means before you create anything, your brain has already spent years collecting the pieces.